All right, folks, welcome back to Nerd Chic. I just want to do a quick tutorial on Zoom in order to get it so that your account in every Zoom you do makes it so that if you've removed a participant from the meeting, they cannot get back on. So I'm in my Zoom account. I'm going down into settings. So you go into the main area of your account and click under personal settings. And then under settings, this is in the account online. I'm going to go all the way down. Actually, you can get down there faster if I just click one of the little sidebar things, but I'm still going to scroll down. So I'm scrolling all the way down here, and you'll see that there's all this stuff. I'm going to slow so you can see it. Right before in meeting advanced. This is under in meeting basic, and it's before in meeting advanced under those main settings. Allow remove participants to rejoin. Turn this off. Turn it off, because you need to make sure that if you remove someone, they cannot get back in. Folks will constantly jump back into the meeting unless you turn this off. And if you've got a co-host on with you, it really makes it easy because they can pick the offender and knock them out of the meeting, and then they can't get back in. So that's the first thing. I just want to make sure to do that. The next thing I just want to remind you is I would have this set already from the beginning. I would make sure that every participant is muted upon entry. Now, this doesn't always work when you click the Zoom desktop, so you may have to go in and do it again. But right here, mute upon entry, make these some of your basic settings that you have in here and keep this. This is just good for in general. And then you can add passwords as well. Inside of here, you can also do it inside the meeting area. So let's do manage participants, and you can hit chat, and everything's over here. Under more, you can put mute participants on entry. You can put lock meeting or whatever. Those are always good. So I've already locked this one because I was doing a tutorial on it. I'm not doing that again. You can lock the meeting. But the main thing is make sure that they're muted upon entry, and that on top of that, you've got them where they cannot rejoin. Again, that's all the way down your basic settings right before in meeting advanced, right there. Make sure that is turned off. Okay, that's it. Got a ton more tutorials here. If you need other security tutorials, go look through the ones I've already done. If you need a new one that you can't find in any of my list, then put a comment here. Give me a thumbs up as well, always. I need that from you guys. And then in the comments, if you've got any questions, you need another tutorial, whatever you need, just tell me there and I'll make it for you and put it in. And then lastly, be sure to share this out there and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for being with Nerd Cheek.